Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to dive into a classic dish straight from the heart of Hokkaido, Salmon Chanchan Yaki. This flavorful, hearty meal is a favorite among fishermen and families alike. So let's get cooking! First, season the salmon fillet with salt and pepper. Roughly chop the cabbage. Thinly slice the onion into 1 cm wide strips. Cut the carrot into 5 mm wide. And separate the shimeji mushroom into small clusters. Now let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, mix together the miso paste, sake, sugar, and mirin until well combined. This simple mixture of ingredients creates a rich, savory-sweet sauce that perfectly complements the salmon and vegetables. The miso paste adds depth and umami while the sake and mirin bring out the natural sweetness of the ingredients. The sugar helps to balance the flavors and caramelize slightly during cooking, creating an irresistible glaze. In a frying pan, melt the butter and cook the salmon fillet over medium heat, starting with the fresh side down. Once browned, flip and cook the skin side. Arrange the vegetable around the salmon. Pour the mixed sauce over everything. Cover with a lid and steam fry until cooked through. Once done, break apart the salmon and mix it with the vegetables. And there you have it, a delicious Salmon Chanchan Yaki. This iconic Hokkaido dish originated in fishing town, and its name Chanchan comes from various series such as it's cooked by fathers or cha-chan, or it can be made quickly, cha-chatto. The aroma of miso and butter is simply irresistible, making this satisfying meal on its own. Let's look over what we used today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this classic Hokkaido dish. Salmon Chanchan Yaki is a perfect example of how simple ingredients can come together to create something truly special. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out for you in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing Japanese recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!